Speed of sound of loneliness. Here's the picking pattern I'm going to give you. It's G, and we're going to go 1, 2, and 3, up, 4, 1. Now we're going to go to a C chord. Its root is on the 5th string. Now we're going to go to D, which is going to be